So we begin. Happy morning again. Welcome back to EduSkills OET Made Easy. Our mission is to make you fall in love with OET learning process. And today we have the Edu India 6 batch, fourth session. That is writing. We start writing today. We'll have 21 steps to cover. We'll be going step by step. And we'll start writing our first letter only after 14 steps. So that is the competency guaranteed, scientifically proven steps to develop your competency. This is a session especially for beginners. We start from the beginning. If you're watching this on YouTube, kindly consider subscribing to the channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like our work. And please share to your contacts so that we reach out to maximum number of OET aspirants, especially those who are financially struggling to crack OET. OET 2.0 Occupational English Test, subtest writing. And writing key skills. OET writing step by step. So we start transforming each case note into a simple sentence. That is our first step. Then we will check it with Grammarly. These simple sentences, maybe today I will show you one example whereby I have transformed the case note into more than 36 sentences. Then we will check it with Grammarly, which is a free software, and I'll teach you how to use it for your corrections. So automatically what happens when you check with Grammarly, Grammarly will show you exactly where there are corrections. It will underline with red line. If there is a grammar mistake, if there is a sentence mistake, if there is a syntax, a word order mistake, all the mistakes will be identified by Grammarly software. And as you click that particular word or sentence, on the right side, you will find the corrections. They will say you have used a definite article instead of indefinite article. You should have been using past tense here. So they will give you exact explanations on the right side. Now, going to Grammarly, you can choose any of the Microsoft Chrome or Safari. As of now, I am using Safari. Let me check. See, you have to just let me know. You can see this, right? Safari opening.
Yes, Father.
Okay.
Yes,
Here
Father.
you have to type. Here you have to type free Grammarly or Grammarly free. Free Grammarly. What happens? Immediately you will find free Grammarly here. Okay. Or free Grammarly check, whatever you can. Then you can go to free. So immediately as you click this one, grammar check, a page will open. See, this page will open. I have attempted so many times. I have put corrections into so many things. That's why all these documents are seen. Whatever you have corrected, all the documents will be seen here. Now you can, if you have not done anything on Grammarly, no documents will be here. Only one plain page will be there. This page. So you can copy and paste your sentences here. Now, you know, once you write, you have to Google convert it into Microsoft Word, about which there is a video which the admins will post today, soon after the session, in both Edu 6 and Edu Kerala. Now let me try to, I will check with my sentences. Not all the sentences I have taken because I can't copy from there, from the PPT. So I kept here, not all the sentences, some 35, 36 sentences. See, I'm going to copy this and paste there and paste in Grammarly page. See, here you have to, you can paste here, where here. As you do with your WhatsApp and all, just paste there. It's possible with your phone as well. When you show here, where there is a set goals, if they ask you, you can just click academic, the first one. Even if you put general, it is cool, no issues. Ours is not academic, still we'll go with that so that you will have more suggestions. Now here, only those things which has got red lines are mistakes. Now blue lines are passive voice. In academic writing, you don't use passive voice, but in your OET is a professional writing, so you need passive voice. Don't worry about blue lines, but you see there is a mistake here, pluracy. What is the mistake? Now, what you have to do? Yeah, what you have to do? Yeah, listen to me. Here you have to click here. To know the correction, you have to click here. See, they are showing your spelling is wrong. Pleurysy it should be. So what you can do? You can click here, this correction, and it will be corrected there. But before correcting, write down your mistakes. Now you see, since I'll try to make some mistakes. Where to make some mistakes? Brampton's. I will just remove a article here. Mrs. Brampton had a chest X-ray. I am going to remove article A. Okay, this needs network. Okay. See, now chest is, there is a red mark. When I removed article, there is a red mark. So if you don't write article, or if you write a wrong article, that will show the red mark. Now click on the red mark. See, the explanation is here. HST, it should be HST. It seems that there is an article usage problem here, because about every test, whenever the diagnosis test is mentioned, there should be an indefinite article. So you have to write down this mistake, that sentence, highlight the mistakes, then only click here. So if you click here, what happens? There is no article there. I removed it. Now article will appear there. That will be corrected. Now let me make some more mistakes. Here there is a mistake, something. See, such as the dry mouth. The noun phrase dry mouth seems to be missing a determiner before it, article. There is no article, so the dry. Article, definite article should be there. So you have to write down the mistake and correct it there, the dry mouth. So whatever the mistakes you make, whether grammar mistake, sentence structure mistake, all these mistakes will be shown here. And the corrections, as soon as you click the correction, it will be shown here. And the right, you can see the score, overall score. Now score is only 84 because of this passive voice, which is required for you. But then the score as on now will be 96 out of 100. This is almost 96 or 98. Something of that. Looking good, it will be looking excellent. Is that clear? You have any doubt regarding this one? Grammarly, use of Grammarly?
Yes, clear, Father.
Okay. Now you know, this is because I wrote this and I copied it here. When you write, there will be a couple of mistakes here. So you know there are mistakes. Now next step, you know, you write compound sentences, combine these two sentences, which I'll teach you in the next session. Then you know you'll make some mistakes. Then again paste here, you will come to know, oh, this was the mistake. I should not have used this conjunction, or should not this. I should not have repeated the pronoun. So when you write the complex sentence again, they will show the mistakes. So at every step, you will be corrected, auto-corrected. You need not beg for others to correct my letter. Ultimately, your language will be perfect by the as you reach 14 steps. Not only for writing, that will help you a competency, and you will be better competent to understand reading as well as listening and to speak as well.
Further, what about in that all suggestion, clarity, a bit of unclear? What is that for that?
Clarity, a bit of unclear means here this is only sentences. No clarity will not be there because no connections established. That will happen in the 6th step. Means no cohesion, only sentences. Okay. And also clarity because you see all these lines, no blue lines, because we have clicked scale as academic. Our language is professional. We don't have professional as such mentioned in the Grammarly. So this they consider as a clarity issue, was admitted, because you see if you click was admitted, they will say there. See, this sentence appears to be written in the passive voice. Consider writing in the active voice. Writing in the active voice will give more clarity, but then you are supposed to write in passive voice as well. You have to use both active voice and passive voice in your OET exam. This is for academic. As on academic means IELTS, TOEFL, all those follow. But then it's okay for you because you will get maximum corrections here. Don't worry about the blue lines, only red lines. Now you see, I will make this one as should be stopped. Stopped will make a stop. I made it stop. See, should be stopped. Then suddenly there is a red line. I have to click that line. Then this will show it should be stopped. You have missed one PED. It appears that the form of the verb stop does not work with be in this sentence. Form of the verb is wrong. They are giving even the explanation. So click here, write down the mistake, then only click correction. Okay. Write down the mistake, then correct. Be stopped. So sometimes it's a beautiful thing, you know, you will come to know all your mistakes and explanations are given. I've been saying this from the very beginning, maybe years together now, but rarely people make use of it. Even I used to repeatedly ask, you can see the videos, please write down the simple sentences, but never used to do. At least me, after taking punishment for myself and creating and doing this, now EduKerala people after the session have started at least to do that. That's a happy thing. Is that clear? Grammarly use? You can do it, as I heard from others. I haven't used in phone. It can be used in phone as well as in computer, laptop. Can I stop this? Any clarifications on these things?
Further, I have one doubt. Further, first of all, we taken the case note, then we written as per you told, like we have to like the simple sentences. Then how to open this application in our phone?
In your phone, can somebody help? You have this Chrome in your phones, right? Any Google, where you go to Google, how do you search Google? You want to search something in the Google.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly. You search Google now. There in the search bar, you type free Grammarly. That's all. Then say, go center. Then Grammarly will appear. And the top you will have free Grammarly. Click it again. The heading free Grammarly. Not login Grammarly. Login Grammarly is paid version. Free Grammarly. Click it and this page will open.
Okay, free grammar.
Yes.
Okay.
Excuse father. Father, I tried so many times free Grammarly, but my mobile not that option. I went to Google, then I type it free Grammarly, but not coming like that, father.
I don't know whether majority of the phones have the options. That's what everybody told me, those who have done it last batch. But if some phones have no option, we will not be able to help it. What you can do is you can take the sessions of your learning partner, then they will
Okay.
correct and give you. Because I am not very sure if does every phone support this.
Okay, father.
Otherwise, are you married?
Yes, father.
Yeah, then you can give a nice tea or coffee or juice to your husband and ask him to change the phone. Get a new phone. Okay, cool. I think this is cool, no?
Yes, school file.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hi friends, I'll let you know how to convert your letter image into Word format. So let's see how to do that. From your phone, you need to take the image of your letter. Okay. Then click on Google Photos, select the particular image, click on the lens. Okay. Then select the text. Then click on copy text. Now it's copied to the clipboard. So where you need to save it, we have to just paste there. Okay, so paste it. After pasting, you just need to see whether it is correct or not. If any mistakes, please correct it, then you need to send it. Okay, so hope you have understood. Thank you.